I've had this Dyson SV03 for years now, and after about 1.5 years, the motorhead died. I live with 3 people that have really long hair, and cleaning this was a chore. I looked online and the cheapest I ever saw it for was about $125, but routinely it was around $140. So expensive, and I didn't want to buy something that crapped out so early in the first place. I ended up using this without the spinning brush, but it lost a lot of its ability to clean, especially on carpet. Because of the large amount of hair, I had to clean it out frequently, but you needed to use a tool to remove the brush from the side, and the small wheels would constantly get clogged with hair, as did the larger rear wheels. Finally, aftermarket heads that were compatible have come on the market at a reasonable price. At around $40 to $50, I'd say this one is worth a try as it comes in at less than half the price. I'll put a link for this one that I purchased in the description. The SV03 model I have uses V6 compatible components, so after a review of a couple designs, I decided on this one. It has articulation up, down, and left and right. The rear wheels roll well, and I haven't collected any hair yet, but that's probably going to happen at some point in time. Looks like it will require a screwdriver to remove the wheels for cleaning. The smaller wheels will absolutely collect hair. You will need to use a tool to pry it under the wheel to pop it out. It's pretty easy to do, but a little harder to snap it back in place. Now this is where the design shines. The main roller brush. If you push on this red tab, you can easily remove the brush for cleaning, no tools involved, and because this area needs to be cleaned most regularly, this is such an awesome feature. It also comes with a very useful cleaning tool with a brush and a hook with a razor that will slice and pull off the hair. So clever and such a time saver, especially for something you have to do so frequently. The area where the motor is will probably need to be watched closely to make sure and pull out any hairs that might be building up there. I forgot to mention the LED lights, and at first I thought they were a little gimmicky, but they really let you see the dirt and dust on the ground, especially in darker areas like under couches or under the bed, and it was really actually useful. After cleaning my house with this, I must say it worked really well for the money, and I have no regrets with this little unit. Time will tell if it will last, but I'm impressed and happy so far. This original Dyson battery worked really well through the years. I've been able to vacuum 1.5 floors of my modest home, including the stairs, and I've been satisfied with that. Lately, however, it's been lasting about 2 to 3 minutes, so it needs replacing. This battery is a 21.6 volt and 2100 milliamp hour battery, and a Dyson original is too expensive, so again I looked at an Amazon replacement. At $39 Canadian, it is much cheaper than the $142.99 Dyson replacement, and that's in Canadian dollars. It supposedly also is a 4600 milliamp hour size, which should translate into a longer runtime than the original. And after using this, I was able to vacuum 2 floors with 2 sets of stairs, so definitely a longer runtime than the original. Interestingly, all the batteries seem to come with 2 filters. I don't know why, but I'll take it. I'm not sure if they're the same quality as the original washable filter, but they look pretty identical. Now all you need is a small Phillips screwdriver to perform this job. Very simply, remove the screw from the back. Then remove the canister by pushing down to open the door, and then again to release the entire canister. This can be a little tricky, but remove it from the back first and wiggle it free. Then you'll see the screw in the front and remove it. The battery just slides out. Remove the plastic cap from the replacement and simply slide it back in and replace the screws. So simple. To put the canister back in, you have to insert the tab, which is located in the front, so it's on an angle. And then snap the rear in place, and you're done. The filter, like I said, looks identical, and all you need to do is pull out the original and pop the replacement into the hole. Reliability of the motorhead and battery are yet to be tested, but if there's anything wrong, I'll be sure to let you know. Some simple fixes to get my Dyson back in the business of cleaning. It feels so good. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next Ladybug adventure.